I bring to you the Nuna MIXX Next stroller. The Nuna MIXX is the SUV from the Nuna stroller lineup. It gives me a full laydown feature, so no bassinet necessary. Bassinet would be an option. Having a full laydown feature allows me to use it from newborn, day one on up. The Nuna MIXX Next comes with a ring adapter to make it travel system capable. The seat is reversible, so I can sit it up, turn it around very easily by squeezing the two side buttons. You connect it back into the stroller, and the stroller seat will fold with the seat in it. The Nuna MIXX Next has an adjustable height in the handle, full suspension down below, rubber tires, non-air filled for a super smooth ride. The basket is sufficiently large for 2 diaper bags, 1 rear facing, 1 forward facing, and the stroller is very lightweight. Nuna MIXX Next, full featured, travel system capable, SUV of strollers. If you have any questions about the Nuna MIXX, please email cs@bambibaby.com or give us a call, 877-882-2624.